My name is Jim Firestein. Served 22 years in the United States Air Force. I went into service in 1970, spent 18 months in the Vietnam War. I am now retired. I was always under the assumption that being a military veteran that we had no worries because all of the funeral expenses would be covered by good old Uncle Sam. The only thing that I will really be entitled to is a grave marker, a flag, and $300, and that's it.
I enlisted in the Navy in 1961, and they decided to do a Vietnam War, and we went to Vietnam in 1962, and I stayed there till 1964.
Okay, and I think, Matt, after serving that many years, I know in our conversation, we sat down with Attorney Dovnik not too long ago, did your estate planning, and during that process, I think you were kind of shocked to find out that when it came to funeral-related expenses, that only about $300 was covered, and I think you were under the impression that because you served that, your funeral would be covered at 100%.
Yes, I don't think the Veterans Administration explains that they have actually no funeral benefits at all as far as I was concerned. I was under the impression that due to the fact that we had a military injury and I have an artificial knee from Vietnam, that the government or the VA would pay for our funeral arrangements and all the costs. And it was until I had our interview with you that I found out that that was just about $10,000 short.
Mm-hmm. And I think many veterans, Matt, feel that way when it comes to serving their country. They feel that they don't really fully understand what the veteran benefits are when it comes to funeral-related expenses, and I think after sitting down with us, we've been able to share with you the importance of setting up a funeral trust.
I agree. I think that the funeral is probably the most expensive thing that can happen to you when you usually have no income.
I'm Dale Freilich. I was in the service from 1960 to 1964 in the Air Force. I was a loadmaster in the service, and I hauled bombs from one end of the country to the other end of the country during the Cuban crisis. And as I was doing my final expense burial policy, I was astounded to learn that I only qualify for $300 in a benefit. I thought there would be more money available because I was in the service for this burial procedure.
Door in the brick-out building by the alleyway. I knew it was you.